This ancient protected Rajbhavan building is concerned. It is more than 400-year old. There was a restriction on security grounds accepted throughout India. If a governor is residing there, or visitors are not allowed in that building. So that is why 1 year back I shifted to quarters, and now there is no problem as such. But at the same time, there are some technical things are in mind. On Independence Day or Republic Day or 2 or 3 occasions we allowed it for 1 week. And my idea is I am making a proposal to all concerned that this being a national monument, everybody should be allowed to visit here and see the building and other things here. Of course, subject to certain restrictions. And then we are seriously thinking about it. And our car, vintage
Cadillac.
that also 2 cars are arranged, and that also we are going to exhibit for the public.